was the first Governor General of independent India? Answer. Lord Mountbatten. In which year did the Jallianwala Bagh massacre take place? Answer. 1919. Who founded the Indian National Congress? Answer. Alan Octavian Hume. Who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? Answer. B. Drive. B.R. Ambedkar. The Quit India movement was launched in which year? Answer. 1942. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Answer. Indira Gandhi. Who was the last Governor General of India? Answer. B. C. Rajagopalachari. The first Roundtable Conference was held in which year? Answer. 1930. The first Indian to become a member of the British Parliament was? Answer. B. Dadabhai Naoroji. Who was the first Governor General of British India? Answer. B. Warren Hastings. Which of the following movements was launched by Gandhiji in 1930? Answer. C. Civil Disobedience Movement. Who was the founder of the All India Muslim League? Answer. B. Nawab Khwaja Salimullah. Who introduced the system of Dyaki in India? Answer. C. Lord Chelmsford. The Bengal partition was carried out by which British Viceroy? Answer. Lord Curzon. The Rowlatt Act was passed in which year? Answer. D. 1919. Who coined the slogan, "Do or Die," during the Quit India movement? Answer. C. Mahatma Gandhi. Who was the first woman to become the President of the Indian National Congress? Answer. Sarojini Naidu. The Indian National Congress was formed in which year? Answer. 1885. Who was the founder of the Indian National Army? Answer. C. Mohan Singh. The non-cooperation movement was started in which year? Answer. B. 1920. Who was the Viceroy of India at the time of the partition in 1947? Answer. B. Lord Mountbatten. The first session of the Constituent Assembly was held in which year? Answer. B. The 9th of December 1946. Who was the first President of independent India? Answer. C. Rajendra Prasad. Which leader was the main architect of the Champaran movement? Answer. Mahatma Gandhi. The Khilafat movement was led by which leaders? Answer. C. Shaukat Ali and Muhammad Ali. The first Muslim woman to participate in the Indian freedom struggle was? Answer. Abadi Bano Begum. Who gave the slogan, Inqilab Zindabad? Answer. C. Maulana Hasrat Mohani. The Bardoli Satyagraha was led by which leader? Answer. C. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Who was the first woman to become the Speaker of the Lok Sabha? Answer. C. Meera Kumar. Who established the Aligarh Muslim University? Answer. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. The Lahore session of the Indian National Congress, 1929, passed a resolution to launch the civil disobedience movement under whose leadership? Answer. C. Mahatma Gandhi. Who was the first Indian to join the Indian Civil Services? Answer. C. Satyendranath Tagore. Who founded the Indian Reform Society in 1857? Answer. C. Keshab Chandra Sen. In which year was the Simon Commission constituted? Answer. 1927. Who was the first person to propose the idea of separate electorates for Muslims? Answer. B. Lord Minto. Who presided over the first session of the Indian National Congress in 1885? Answer. C. Vomesh Chandra Banerjee. The first session of the Round Table Conference was held in which year? Answer. B. From the 12th of November 1930 to the 19th of January 1931 in London. The Indian Independence Act was passed by the British Parliament in which year? Answer. The 5th of July 1947. Who was the first Indian to be appointed as the President of the United Nations General Assembly? Answer. C. Vijayalakshmi Pandit. Who launched the Hind Swaraj book? Answer. C. Mahatma Gandhi. The Salt Satyagraha movement began in which city? Answer. B. Sabarmati Ashram, Gujarat. Who was the first Chief Minister of independent India? Answer. C. Pandit Govind Ballabh Pant. In which year was the ENA trial held? Answer. 1945 at Red Fort. Who was the first woman to become the governor of an Indian state? Answer. Sarojini Naidu. Who was the author of the book, Discovery of India? Answer. Jawaharlal Nehru. Who was the first Indian Governor General of India? Answer. B. C. Rajagopalachari. Which British viceroy is associated with the doctrine of lapse? Answer. Lord Dalhousie. Who established the Azad Hind Fauj, Indian National Army? Answer. Rash Bihari Bose. Which movement was launched after the Jallianwala Bagh massacre? Answer. C. Non-Cooperation Movement. Who was the first Indian to win the Nobel Prize? Answer. B. Rabindranath Tagore.